point. You're right.
Pitch.
He hits it.
Hit.
He hits it and a play.
And he got the single.
He got the single. He's going. He's going. He's coming on.
He's going home.
A single with an error for Nate Mann. I missed it with the camera view.
Jaden Martinez.
Jaden Martinez knocks it.
Nick O'Mara, back-to-back errors.
He's going to third. No, he's not. He's going back. He's coming back to third. Oh, and they throw it away. Jaden's going to third. And he is safe. Strike one. Ryan, what's the score? He chops it. Out. A nice try by Nate, but he's out. Oh, a nice pitch by Nate. Just curves a little more. Smacks it to third. Fair ball. Nick stays up first base with a single. Just wide. Ball 8. A walk. Ball 4. That's a fair ball. Fair ball. That's a homer on Alex McCall. Strike. Strike 3. Just kidding. Alex had his first home run, Tyler. Alex McCall, pow, out. No tree. Oh, Alex gets jammed. He's out. Jaden catches it. Out. Nick chops it. It's going to be a close play. Safe. Nick's going to second. He's rounding third. Nick's going to third. Nick's coming home. He's out at the plate. Go. 5-2. First pitch. Nate chops it. Safe. Staying at second.
Someone just scoreboard.
Cracks it. That's a hit. He's safe at second. He's going to third. He's on third. He's going home. Here's the throw. Safe. Smacks it to the pitcher, and he is. Out. I write this in my stats, but I get something for clutchness. So I get a note for clutchness. Oh, he skips it past Jaden. He's going to third. He's rounding third. He's going home, and he is safe. Books. Oh yeah, I skipped on there with the game time run on first. So that's clutch. Next. Smashes it. That's an outfield hit. Nice hit for Nate.
We drink Gatorade, the official sponsor of the BYWL.
Nick, break the record.
He's out
of
the BYWL.
It's like we planned it, but literally we didn't. Oh, he smacks it. It's in the gap. In the gap. Alex is safe. He's out. He's out. Hit his hand. Nick is safe. Nick's going home. Nick stops at third. Nick is safe. Alex is out. 1 out. Nick's on third. Alex has another RBI. He's an RBI machine today. What? That's a warning.
he was out.
Heck? He just whipped it up.
Timeout!
Single.
Alex hits it down the line. Fair ball. He's going too. He's safe. Max, dude. That's my call, bro. Nick hits it hard. To Nate. He jumps the ball. Nick goes to third on the single. No, Tyler. Wait till this game's done. Alex hits it hard. To Nate. Through the hole. He scores. Nick O'Mara. He hits it in the gap. Alex is safe. Nick goes to second. Nick is safe at second.
That's 2 doubles.
Second double for Nick in the game.
What?
Let's go after this. No point of starting a new game. Me and Josh are gonna play wicked. Alex hits it up the middle to the pitcher. He can't handle it. Hit for Alex. Wait, this is the bottom. Stop. Then we can stop it.
This guy gets out here.
Talking about.
He can't do the pick off. Alex stays at 2. Smart move.
On target.
1 run walked in. 7-5.
7-5. A 2-run lead for the. 7-5. 6-1. Alex hits it to the outfield fence. Nate gets it, retrieves it.
Oh, try second. Tag second.
Tag second. Ow! Wait, was he out or safe?
Wait, still loaded? Yep.
I thought he was out, but
You're crowding the play.
I thought he was out, but he was safe.
Wicked hot out.
I hope the party's fun.
Yeah, no, we'll get this one.
Well,
Oh yeah, unless my cousins got rid of the pool, they have a wicked nice pool.
Oh, that's a drive. Grand slam, Nick O'Mara. Ryan.
Try harder.
I could be on his team, but you wanted to trade. Trade. It's not even that good. Strike. A good pitch, but the MJ Rivals are looking very bad right now, unless they can pull a great comeback. Oh, a bad turn of events. An awful hop